The 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s is a budget-friendly dash cam that records in 1080p Full HD resolution. It has a 130-degree field of view, which is wider than most dash cams, so you can capture more of the road ahead. It also has night vision, so you can still record clear video footage in low-light conditions. The 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s has a number of features that make it a good choice for most drivers, including built-in G sensor. This sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically saves the footage to protect it from being overwritten loop recording. This feature overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. Parking mode. This mode allows the dash cam to record even when your car is parked. It can be triggered by motion or impact. Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to connect the dash cam to your phone, so you can view and download footage. The 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s is a good option for drivers who are looking for a budget-friendly dash cam with basic features. It is easy to use and install, and it records clear video footage in both day and night conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s. Pros: affordable 1080p Full HD resolution, 130-degree field of view, night vision, built-in G sensor, loop recording, parking mode. Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: no GPS, no voice control, no touchscreen display. Overall, the 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s is a good value for the price. It is a basic dash cam that records clear video footage and has a number of useful features. If you are looking for a budget-friendly dash cam, the 70mm. About this item: 1080p Full HD night vision and Sony IMX307. The Smart Dash Cam 1s enables you to achieve 1080p Full HD resolution, records every detail on the road for you. Equipped with the Sony IMX307 image processor and f2.2 aperture, the dash cam is pulled in more light to brighten up low-light scenes, provide you the clear images, even in the dim light. Built-in G sensor and emergency recording. Equipped with the built-in G sensor, the 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1s can automatically record an emergency situation and have the videos saved. All of the emergency videos are safely locked as event file to prevent an overwrite. Voice control dash cam. To provide you a safe and hands-free using experience, you may use voice commands to use your cam. This car cam recorder can let you easily control it to take pictures and record video, just with your voice. Loop recording and evidence protection. The dash cam automatically overwrites the oldest videos with the latest ones. The videos can be automatically saved and stored locally